Today I have a new unit for you guys, and this unit is from Bestlacewigs
that I received from Bestlacewigs.
Bestlacewigs. This is bestlacewigs.com.
Bestlacewigs. This is their HD silky straight unit in 22 inches. As you guys can see, this unit comes pre-plugged, it comes bleached, it comes ready to install, and it comes with this bomb.
Look at the details of this lace. Oh my goodness, the hairline, it looks so natural. Look at that, it looks so good, and it also is a 13x6 frontal.
So this is fresh out of the box. I've done nothing to this unit. You guys can see it is plucked so freaking good. I'm really hyping this unit up, y'all, but like, it is plucked so good. The knots are bleached perfectly. This is what the inside construction looks like, and then look how this lace just melts against my skin.
Bro, do y'all, this is unreal. This shit looks so real. It is under the lace. I know y'all see that. That's crazy.
Yeah.